Here. No. I give it to you. Here. No, you can't hold it. Here. You can't hold it. Why are you getting upset? Here. Here, Marley.
It's not really.
She think her brother's gonna give her some. I let her hold it. She realized that he isn't, so she gonna come back to me and then get an attitude. Marley. And she mad, so she talking junk.